Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix or remove page admin on Facebook. So to start, you need to switch from your original profile to your Facebook page. Now, once you switch your account, go to your profile at the bottom right. Next, go to the settings icon at the top right. Now in here, scroll down and under audience and visibility, look for page setup and tap on it. Next, what you need to do is to look for page access. Click on it. So here you can see people with Facebook access and people with task access. So what you need to do is to click the three dots of the person that you want to remove, just like so. And once you click the three dots, so here you have three options. You have view access, edit access, and remove from page. So let's click on remove from page. So it says this person will no longer have access to the page. Any content they created or actions they took will remain on the page. So for your security, enter your password to continue. And once done, tap on confirm. And that's basically it. We just remove page admin on Facebook page. So again, just a quick recap. So you need to switch your account from your personal to your Facebook page account. Then click your profile at the bottom and go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to page setup. Then go to page access. Then just click the three dots and you should see an option that says remove. And just click on that and confirm the action. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.